Hello guys, and once again we are back with another Temu earphone review. Now this is a quick review of the WOSD J35 wireless earbuds. This model features a unique, super bright white charging case with a sliding lid mechanism. While visually striking, the lid feels somewhat flimsy and maybe more of a short-lived gimmick than a durable feature. The earbuds are teardrop shaped and sit within the charge case that displays both the case percentage and individual earbud levels behind that mirrored front screen. The J35s claim a Bluetooth 5.4 connection, but they suffered from frequent instability, occasionally unpairing from my TV without provocation. The ergonomic teardrop design is contoured to fit the inner ear, which provides a secure feel, though they may feel uncomfortable for those with smaller ears. Unfortunately, no spare ear tips included. Nope. But musically, the J35s feel almost obsolete, as the bass is non-existent. The highs are flat, and the mid-range is overly forward to the point of being overbearing. Sibilance is harsh with S sounds, and is a persistent issue with vocal heavy tracks. The audio is definitely not going to make you get up and boogie, with 100 milliseconds of latency when watching videos, etc. You'll be pleased to know that the charge case is Type-C charged. To charge the case, it will take 1 hour 40 minutes, with 2.5 recharges of the earbuds while on the go. Usage time, we got 3 hours 20 minutes using 100% volume consistently, and it would take 1 hour 40 minutes to charge those earbuds from flat. The microphone quality?
So when it comes to the WOSD J35 earphones, as you can 100% tell, my voice pickup sounds very tinny. Not only that, quite muffled too. And again, no ENC when it comes to these mics on these earphones, but they're quite adequate for basic voice calls, but not very great for video calls, I'm afraid. No.
When it comes to the touch controls, they were almost spot on. We got 1 press on either earbud for play, pause, call answering, 2 presses for the next and previous track selections, although again those controls were opposite. So if we press the right earbud twice, it would go to the previous track rather than the next. And that's the same with the volume up and down too. Pressing the right earphone 3 times turns the volume down. We've also got that 2-second hold for the voice assistant. And in whole, the WOSD J35 earbuds are not that bad. They certainly tried to have a unique design concept, but at times do look rather cheap. Again, the earphones are secure, the case is compact, but the audio is definitely not the best at all, with these WOSD earphones costing us £3.48. And our score today, well, we've rated them 3 out of 10. Now if you want to check out the link for these earphones, I've left a handy little link in the video description down below. Yeah, it's cheeky, so why not give it a press? And if you've actually got these earphones, comment on your experience using them in the video description. And if you want to, suggest some budget earphones that you bought off the Temu website that you find are pretty good, and I might take a look myself and review them, and not only that, give you a shout out. But it'd be very pleasing if you like and share this video wherever possible. Not only that, subscribe, will you? Sharing's caring. Bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now speaking of uploads, there's 2 videos showing on screen just now. You can click either one of them, but in the meantime, hope to see you guys very soon. Peace.